Hi ladies, so I did a super quick tutorial on this look and you wouldn't even believe how easy it is. Keep watching and see how I got it. Hi everyone. Okay, so for today's tutorial we are using a square, one of our newest Turkish cotton ones, and I'm wearing our fitted cap underneath. You don't need to wear anything underneath, I'm just doing it for coverage for the video. So after you have it folded into a triangle, you're gonna fold the back underneath itself about 2 to 3 inches. Take it to the back. Bring the two tails up, and then you're gonna make a knot. Take this to the side so you can see what you're doing. And then these two are gonna go to the back of your head. You can either make a knot or you can just crisscross them and then bring them up and tuck them into themselves. Then take this portion, as you can see, it's like doing this naturally like pleated looking or like roughly looking thing. So you take it to the side and tuck it in. I'm tucking it into my left side, but you can tuck it into your right side if you prefer. And then you tuck anything else that needs to be tucked. And that's it. Super easy, comfortable wrap for every day since it's so beyond hot outside. I hope you enjoyed.